to Blue Angel Drone Life. It's Dexter. I'm at Erindale Park today. Plan to do some photos of some birds and take some shots of nature, and I'll make a list of all the devices I'm using today. Cheers for now. Erindale Park is one of the great parks in Mississauga, Ontario. There's the Credit River, which is known for fishing in the fall. You can see in the background, I got some guys fishing. A lot of them went for salmon, and they've got a bunch of other ones you can fish as well. And in the summer, I've seen people go kayaking and canoeing down the Credit River. So it's a great place to go for hikes in general. Well, I'm almost at my favorite location to hopefully capture these bird shots, so wish me luck. Either way, it's a gorgeous day, and no complaints this way. Hey. It was actually this spot that I saw a baby deer on the other side of the river. No luck today. This is one of my favorite parts of the walking trail. I like the trees on the ground, and you can see it up the hill and various other places. It's a great place to be alone with your thoughts. Here's a nice shot of the Credit River as I walk by. As you can see, the trees still have some leaves and some nice color. Water level's nice and low, so you get to see a lot more things than you would normally in the summertime. Beautiful spot. Some shots of the woods. Beautiful scenery that I get to see when I go on for my hikes. Since it's November with the water level so low, you can walk really close to the creek. Some of the various animals I've seen and birds of prey at Erindale Park have been deer, blue jays, cardinals, robins, woodpeckers, cooper hawks, a bunch of other smaller ones that I don't know the name of quite yet, but I'll figure them out. Well, I made it to my secret spot, so hopefully I'll get some nice photos. Wish me luck. Well, I wasn't able to get any pictures of me feeding the birds today. There's a lot of people on the path, but I got some nice photos anyway, so enjoy. Cheers for now.